Good morning, students. Today we will start solving rest questions of exercise 3.3. Now question number 15 is you have to prove that cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x sin 5x minus sin 3x. We have to prove this. It means we have to prove this. Means this bracket we can shift in the denominator. Means the terms which contain sine, they will be on left hand side, and cot, the term containing cot, that will be on right hand side. So you may shift cot 4x in the denominator of right side. So with this, your left hand side will become sin x plus sin 5x plus sin 3x over sin 5x minus sin 3x, and you have to prove this is equal to cot x by cot 4x. Now see, left hand side is what? You may apply CD formula here. So what is this? Sin C plus sin D, and in denominator sin C minus sin D. Now what is sin C plus sin D? 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. And sin C minus sin D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Clear? This 2 will get cancelled. So you will get sin 4x cos x over cos 4x sin x. So you will get tangent 4x into cot x, or cot x by cot 4x. So this is equal to your right hand side. Now next 21st question is prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. Again, take left hand side. In left hand side, we will collect the terms containing 4x and 2x in one bracket. So you will get cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x. And the same in the denominator, the terms which contain 4x and 2x, that will be in one bracket, and the other term will be in sin 3x, that will be after this. So you will get here in this bracket, what is this? Cos C plus cos D. So you may apply the formula 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, and this cos 3x will remain as it is. Similarly, in denominator, sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, and plus sin 3x will remain as it is. Now from the numerator you may take cos 3x common, so you will get 2 cos x plus 1, and in the denominator you may take 2 sin, in the denominator you may take sin 3x common, so 2 cos x plus 1 will be left inside. Now this 2 cos x plus 1 will get cancelled, so you will get cos 3x by sin 3x, and what is this? Cot 3x, which is equal to your right hand side. Next is 23rd question. You have to prove that tangent 4x is equal to 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan ki 4x. See what you have to do in this question. Left hand side is in left hand side the angle is 4x, but right hand side the angle is x. It means you have to apply the formula of tangent 2x. So you may write tan 4x tan 2 into 2x. Suppose this 2x is theta, so you will apply the formula of tangent to theta, and it will be 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan square theta. Clear? Now again you can apply the formula of tan 2x, so it will be 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x, and in denominator also it will be 1 minus 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x ka whole square. After solving this, you will get in the denominator you will get 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x over 1 minus tan square x ka whole square. Now when you will shift this term to the numerator, it will be left with, we will be left with 4 tan x 1 minus tan square over 1 plus tan ki 4 minus 6 tan square, and that is equal to right hand side. So firstly, you have to see the question very carefully. You have to see which side we will open, which side is convenient to open, and which formula can we apply. After then, we will start solving the problems. So with this, your 3.3 is completed. Thank you.